hopefully short tutorial about light fixtures. I created this new projection, a little bit more colorful scene. So a short kind of animation about a robot video. It's using the planar to wall projection, which is a little bit different. So you can see kind of the background here. Our stage lights are controlled here on this tab, and you notice that we have kind of new types of settings over here when we go to this stage lights tab. So basically, managing our fixtures, which are basically our lamps. So we need to add a new fixture. Basically, you could add also like with LED walls, like parts of LED walls, and those would be video fixtures. And then there's also something called open fixture library, so people have created the kind of descriptions for different kinds of lamps. But we can use here in our studio the GDTF templates. We have the cream source Vortex revision 2.5.1. So let's add a Vortex 8. And so this is a GDTF file. And we can open it and it comes up with this mode list. So the lamp itself is quite complicated. It has all kinds of modes. You can check out those modes in the Vortex implementation table. What we are interested here is doing some pixel mapping because we can do both kind of pixel mapping and define a color. So I'm using this multi-zone RGBW bear. We go there, we can set up, okay, it's like red, green, blue, and white. And then it's red, green, blue, and white. So for the Vortex 4, it would be the first 16 ones. And Vortex 8, it would be the first 32 ones. And basically, we're happy with that. So we are creating it here by selecting the mode, and this has to be also set in the lamp. So we assign the lamp to the mode 64, or whatever mode you decide to use, and we bring it here. So it's here, red, green, blue, and white. We just have to say where it is. So what is the DMX address, the universe, and the channel. So this is also set in the lamp, and when you do linking with your lamp and your DMX system, whether it's wireless or wired, and then you say that, okay, the lamp is actually has 8 areas where it can derive pixel-based data. And by default, Live Effects doesn't know, okay, let's use those 8. So we have to say that, okay, this repetition of red, green, blue, and white, each of these areas is doing this, is doing, repeating it 8 times. And still doesn't look really correct. There's like 9 positions here. We change the color sampling. So we have to say that the lamp is consisting of 2 rows of 4 pixels in each. So 2 and 4. So that starts to look like our Vortex lamp in pixel mapping mode.